Hi everyone, this is Krishna, Math Science faculty. Last class we discussed Practice theorem and synthetic division method up to 12 problems completed. In this class we have to discuss 13th problem onwards. The quotient when f of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x square plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 is. See here we have to find quotient when it is divided by x minus 1. We have to do this problem in two ways. First one is long division method, second way synthetic division method. See here, first one is long division method. X minus 1 divides 5x cube minus 3x square plus 1. Now here divisor is x. Here dividend is equal to 5x cube. Now we have to multiply with 5x square times with this divisor. Then 5x square into x, 5x cube, and 5x square into 1 minus 5x square. Now you have to subtract here, minus this is plus, minus this is plus. Now this is cancelled. Now this is 2x square plus x term is not given, you can leave it. Okay, now here 2x square we have to multiply with the plus 2x. 2x into x, 2x square, and 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. Now minus plus this is cancelled. Now 2x plus 1. We have to multiply here plus 2. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 1 minus 2. Now here minus this is plus, cancel. Here this is 3. Here quotient is 3. Remainder is 3. Quotient is 5x square plus 2x plus 2. 5x square plus 2x plus 2. This is a third option, but one more method I will explain. See here, by using the synthetic division method. Synthetic division method, how to do means here first we have to write the coefficient of all terms according to degree descending order. First you can write here 5 minus 3 0 1. This is constant. X term is not given, that's why you can write here 0, x square term minus 3, and x cube term is 5. Now it is divisible by x minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means 0 value x is equal to 1. Now you have to write here 0. This is 5. 5 into 1, 5. Here 2. 2 into 1, 2. This is 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. This is 3. That last one is remainder. This is remainder. This is constant x term, x square term. Now 5x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the quotient. Note down. Okay, next 14th one, by dividing the polynomial f of x is equal to x to the power 6 minus 1, which of the following gives the first degree quotient? See here polynomial x to the power of 6 minus 1 came, but we want first degree means we want x. Then here x to the power of 6 minus 1 by at least we have to take here x to the power of 5. X to the power of 5 you have to divide means here we will get x. This is first degree. Here in this 4 options you have to check here. X to the power of 5 means here this is third option as given. That is the answer. Note down this one. Next one. 15th one. The quotient and remainder when x cube minus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 5. We have to do, this is not long division method. Only we have to use the synthetic division method. See here, first we have to write here coefficient according to its degree descending order 1, x cube coefficient 1, and x square coefficient 0, and minus 1 plus 1. Now here it is divisible by 5. 5 means here it is divisible by x minus 5. Then this is 0 and 1. Here 5 into 5 25. 25 means here 24. 24 into 5 120. Here this is remainder 121. Now this is quotient is x square plus 5x plus 24, and this is q of x, and remainder is r of x is equal to 121. See here, this is first option. Note down. Okay, next problem 16th one. If 5x to the power of 6 minus 9x square plus 1 is equal to product of p x to the power of 4 plus q x cube plus r x square plus 5x sx plus t into x square plus bx plus c. Here we have to find the AP. Now we have to multiply here p into a AP into x to the power of 6. Here AP only possible. You can take any other variable means here different is there. Only a and p, this is two terms. That power is equal to 6. Here x to the power of 6. Here we have to comparison the x to the power of 6, its coefficient. Here left side is 5x to the power of 6. Then here x to the power of 6 coefficient is ap is equal to 5. Then your answer is first one. Note down. Okay, next problem 17th one. The quotient and remainder 16x to the power of 4 minus 8x cube minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x minus 1. We have to do this problem long division method. One problem 2x minus 1 divides 16x to the power of 4 minus 8x cube minus 8x plus 4. See here, this is 2 times, this is 16. Then 2 how many times? 8 times. X square is x square or x cube. X cube, then it is equal to 16x to the power of 4. 8 ones are minus 8x cube. Now you have to subtract here. This is cancel both. Now minus 8x plus 4. This is you have to take here 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2 minus 8x minus 8x minus it minus plus 4 ones are 4. The remainder is equal to 0. Then here the quotient is equal to 8x to the power of 3 minus 4. This is first option. Note down. Okay, next emerald package first problem. If 2x cube minus ax square minus 5x plus 6 is exactly divided by x minus 3, then the polynomial is, see here 3 options, one more option, wait. Okay, 4 options as given. Now see here, if it is divided by x minus 3 means remainder is equal to 0. See here, this is exactly divisible by means remainder equal to 0. Now you can write here, this is f of x is equal to 2x cube minus ax square minus 5x plus 6. Now here it is divisible by x minus 3 means remainder 0. Then f of x minus 3, its 0 value is x is equal to 3. Then you can substitute here x instead of 3. Then 2 into 3 cube a into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is 3 cube 27 into 2 54 minus 3 square 9, 9 into a 9a, 3 5s are 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is 60 minus 15 45, here minus 9a plus 45 is equal to 0. A is equal to 45 by 9 is equal to 5. A value we know that, then we have to write here a substitute here, then we will write here 2x cube minus 5x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the polynomial. See here in this fourth option 2x cube minus 5x square minus 5x plus 6. Note down. Now second one, if f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 4h x square plus 27x minus 12h and x is a factor of f of x, then find the h value. See here, x is a factor means here x plus 0 you have to take, or x is equal to 0 or x minus 0 also. Then x instead of, you can substitute here 0. Then f of x instead of f of 0. Here 0 to the power of 4 minus 4h into 0 square plus 27 into 0 minus 12h is equal to 0. Now this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Down 12h is equal to 0, then h is equal to 0. Second option. Note down. The third one, the least value that should be added to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 30 to obtain a polynomial which is exactly divisible by x minus 3. This is also, you have to use the long division method also or synthetic division method. Okay, I can use this is synthetic division method. First we will write this is coefficient according to its degree descending order. Now it is divisible by x minus 3. Okay, if it is divisible by x minus 3, then what we have to added here. See here, first you have to write here 0, here 3, 0. 0 into 3, 0, 4, 4 into 3, 12. Here this is minus 1. See here, what we have to add here means, you have to add here 1 means, this is also minus 12. Minus 13 plus 1 means this is 12, minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 means it is equal to 0, remainder. That's why you have to add here, which one? 1. Then this is the first option. Note down. Now fourth one, see here, if f of x is equal to x cube minus 1 is divided by x plus 1, then the sum of the coefficient of quotient. First you have to write here x plus 1, it is divided by this one. Then thereafter you will get the quotient. See here, I will explain here. First you have to write here, it's a coefficient, x cube coefficient is 1 and x square coefficient is 0, x coefficient is 0 and constant is minus 1. It is divisible by x plus 1 means here x is equal to minus 1. Put here 0, 0, 1, 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 1, plus 1, 1, 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into here, minus 1, this is minus 2. Okay, now see here, after you can, what we will do here, sum of the coefficient of quotient. Quotient means here 1, this is x constant x, x square minus x plus 1. Okay, now here coefficient you have to add here 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 cancel means 1. Its answer is first one is second one. Note down this one, then I will explain. This is fifth problem. Fifth problem also as is you have to write it. Okay, here also I used this is synthetic division method by using, okay, first you have to write here coefficient of x power 4 is 1, x square, x cube has not given 0 and x square is 3 and x is equal to 1 and constant minus 1. It is divisible by 2x minus 1 means here x is equal to 1 by 2, 0. Here see here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. That's why 1 by 2. Now this is 1, 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 4, see here minus 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 1 minus 11, 11 by 4, minus 11 by 4. Minus 11 by 4 into, this is 1 by 2 means minus 11 by 4 2s are 8. Again you have to write here 1 minus 11 by 8 means here 8 1s are 8. 8 minus 11 means minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 is equal to here minus 3 by 8 2s are 16. 16. Next here minus 1 minus 16 1 is 16 minus 3 means minus 19 by 16. This is remainder. This is a x constant, x term, x square term, x cube term. Now here what we will do is product of the coefficient. Product of the coefficient means 1 into 1 by 2 into minus 11 by 4 into minus 3 by 8. 11 into 3, 33. 11 into 3, 33. 4 into 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 8, 64. 33 by 64. This is third option. Note down. Okay, next problem, sixth one. If the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 1 is such that p of x is equal to p of 1 minus x. See here, p of x is equal to p of 1 minus x. P of x already given x square plus 3x minus 1. Here x instead of you have to substitute here 1 minus x. Then 1 minus x whole square plus 3 into 1 minus x minus 1. Now it is right as it is x square plus 3x minus 1. This is right as a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 3 into 1 3. 3 into x 3x minus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 cancel. X square cancel. And this is 2x minus 3x 5x and this side. This is 5x plus 3x 8x. This one side that side. 1 here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4 or 2x. Just a minute. Actually here minus 1 going this side means here plus. That's why 3 plus 1 4. Now 4 by 8 is equal to 2 1s 4 1s 4 2s 1 by 2. Then this option is first one. Note down. Okay, next question is matrix matching. Okay, here column 1 column 2 as given. First we have to factorize this left side, then we have to see here factorize its factors. First one is here x square minus 3x plus 2. This is factorized means splitting the middle term, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Okay, now here in these two terms you have to take x square. Actually 2 ones are 2. First you have to write here 1 into 2 2. Thereafter this is right as minus 1 minus 2 means minus 3x and minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to plus 2. In this 2 you have to take minus 1 common, x minus 2. whole term x minus 2 is common, then x minus 1. Now see here, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1. Here first one is here 7, here 7. 7, x minus 2, x minus 1. Okay, note down this one. Next one, see here. Eighth one, 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x minus 2. This is by using the synthetic division method, we have to find the factors. 2 and minus 6, 0, 3, minus 2. Now we have to use, this is sum of the coefficient. All coefficient is equal to 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. And sum of the even coefficient is equal to sum of the odd coefficient, then x plus 1 is a factor. See here, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is also not possible, or otherwise this, like you can write right here, this is also 0, this is also not possible. That's why you have to take here x is equal to 1 by 2, you can write here 1 by 2. This is possible or not, we have to check here, or otherwise you can write here 2. Okay, this is 0, 2 means here 1. This is 2 into 1 by 2 means 1. This is minus 5. Minus 5 means here minus 5 by 2, or otherwise you can take here 2. 2 means here 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 means here minus 2. 2 into 2, minus 4. This is minus 4. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 8 means here minus 5. This is also not possible. Then what we will do here, factorize this one. 2 you have to write here. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 means its factors 1 and 2. And minus 2 also you have to write here. Minus 2. 0 means here 2. 2 into 2, minus 4. Here minus 10. Here 10 into 2, 20. 20 means here 0 to 40. This is also not possible. Then what we will do? Charles children, actually I written this is problem is wrong. 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Now see here. Now you can write here 2 minus 6, 3, 3 minus 2. Now here sum of the coefficient is 2 plus 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Here minus 6 minus 2, 8. This is equal to 0. That's why here x minus 1 is a factor, means x is equal to 1. 0, here 2. 2 ones are 2, minus 4. 4 ones are minus 4, then minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, this is 2. 2 into 1, 2. Then this is 0. Again you have to apply here sum of the coefficient. Here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here this is also not possible. Then which one you have to write here? 2 means here at least 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you can write here. 1 by 2 means here 0. 2. Here 1 minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means here 3. 2 ones are 2. Minus 5 by 2. This is also not possible. Then minus 2 you can write here. Minus 2. My 0. Here 2. 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 4 means here minus 8. 8 into 2, 16. This is also not possible. Okay. Here x is equal to 2 you have to take here. It will come. X is equal to 2, 0. Here 2. 2 into 4, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1. 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay, now this is right as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into, yeah, this is a constant x square. X square minus 1. Then x square, sorry, 2x square minus 1. Now this is in this 2, x minus 1 is there, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, both it is there. Then it is also 8, 7, 8, and here also 8 you can write here. Okay, this is note down. I will explain ninth one. Ninth one is here 6, 1, minus 4, 1. Now see, 6 minus 4, 2, 1, 2. Then here x plus 1 is a factor, then x is equal to minus 1. 0, 6, 6 ones are minus 6, here minus 5. 5 ones are plus 5, 1, 1 into 1, minus 1. This is 0. Now here x plus 1 into, this is right as 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Here next problem here 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Now same here, x plus 1 into, this is 6 1 the 6, it is right as 6 square, 6x square minus 6 plus x is equal to minus 5x plus 1. Here x plus 1 into, in these two terms you have to take common 6x, and here x minus 1 plus x minus 1, okay, or otherwise 2x plus 3x, 6x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 1. Here x plus 1 into, in these two terms you have to take common 2x, then 3x minus 1, and here 1 common, 3x minus 1. Now x plus 1 into, here 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. Now x plus 1 means here this is 9th, and 2x minus 1, this is also 9th. Okay, last one also same, here 10th one means here this is 10 also you can write here also 10. Okay, note down this one. Okay, next problem, this is homework problem. Okay, I will explain, you have to try at home. The polynomial is exactly divisible by x plus 3, x plus 4 and x plus 5. See here, this is a polynomial p of x, means the product of these three terms, x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5. You have to multiply these three expressions and you have to check it is in these four options any one. This is the diamond package first one, note down this one. Okay, next problem, if 2x minus 1 is exactly divides 6x square minus ax plus 4 and bx square minus 11x plus 3, then the value of b square minus a square plus a minus b. See here p of x is equal to 6x square plus ax minus 4. It is exactly divided by 2x minus 1, means here p of 1 by 2 is equal to 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus a into 1 by 2 minus 4. Its remainder is equal to 0. It is exactly divisible, means its remainder is equal to 0. Now you can write here 6 into by here 4, 2 square 4, then this is a by 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is take LCM, 6 plus this is 2a minus 2 into 4 8 is equal to 0. Now 2a is equal to, here this is 2, 6 minus 8 means plus minus 2 and that same is here, a is equal to 1. Okay, once again lesson, exactly divisible by particular number as square, means you have to take that 0 values. 0 value you have to substitute here, means here 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus a into 1 by 2 minus 4. Thereafter here 6 into 2 square means 4 and this is a by 2 minus 4. Then you can take here LCM, means here denominator 4. 4 means this is 6 and 2 times this is 4, 2 into a 2a and this is 2 into 4 8 and 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 7, that side means plus 2. A is equal to 1. Now another expression is given here, that is sub g of x. G of x is equal to bx square minus 11x plus 3. Okay, it is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1, means here g of 1 by 2 is equal to 0, then b into 1 by 2 whole square minus 11 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now this is also b by 4 minus 11 by 2 plus 3. Here also you have to take LCM, this is equal to 0. LCM 4, b minus 11 2s are 22 plus 2 into 3, 2 into 3 are 2 into 4, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 3 12. Here also actually 4 into 4 16, actually I made a mistake here. You have to take here LCM is 4, means here this is 2a, here this is 4 times 4 4 is 16, then this is 10, this is 10 means this is 5. Okay, now this is equal to 0. Now this is b minus, this is 22 minus 12 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 0, then b is equal to 10. Now you can find this is value b square. B square means here 10 square minus this is 5 square plus 5 minus 10. Okay, now here 10 square means 100 minus 25 plus 5 minus 10. Now this is 35, this is 105. 105 minus 35 is equal to, your answer is 70. 70, this is the first option, note down. Okay, next, one of the factors of m to the power of 8 minus 11 m to the power of 4 n to the power of 4 minus 80 n to the power of 8. See here, let m to the power of 4 is equal to a and n to the power of 4 is equal to b, you can write here. Now this is write as m power 4 whole square minus 11 m power 4 and n power 4 minus 80 n power 4 whole square. Now here m power 4, instead of, you can write here a square minus 11 ab minus 80 b square. Now here you can write here 80 into here 1 minus 80. 80, how you will write here? A square minus 16a b plus 5ab. 16 into 5 minus 80 minus 16 plus 5 is equal to minus 11. Here minus 80 b square. Now in these two terms you have to take common a minus 16 b. In these two terms you have to take here pi b, here a minus 16 b. Now whole term a minus 16 is common and a plus 5b. Okay, a means here what? Here a means here m power 4 minus 16 into a plus 5b. This is write as m square whole square. This is 4 square. Then here a plus 5b. See here, this is a square minus b square. You can write here m square minus 4 into m square plus 4 into a. A means here m power 4 into pi n power 4. Now this is rewrite as a square minus b square means here m plus 2 into m minus 2 and m square plus 4 into m square minus 4. This is m power 4 minus, just a minute. Here I left here a b, here also b. B means here n square. 4 m power 4 m square whole square, here 4b means 4n square whole square. Then here m square minus 4n square into m square plus 4n square, and this is a means here m power 4 plus 5 n power 4. Now same as this you can write here, rewrite here m square minus 4n square into, yeah, this is total, you can leave it, just you have to take this one only. This is rewrite as m minus 2n into m plus 2n. See here one of the factor they asked. Okay, remaining you can leave it, no problem, or otherwise you can write here continuation. M minus 2n is one of the factor. Note down. Okay, next one is if ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is divided by x plus 2, the quotients are 4, 5, 6 and remainder is 0, then the polynomial is, see here ax cube, this is polynomial in terms of x, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is divided by x plus 2. Then here p of minus 2 is equal to a into minus 2 cube plus b into minus 2 square plus c into minus 2 plus d. Here the quotients are 4. First one is 4, next one is 5, next one is 6, and remainder is equal to 0. Okay, remainder is equal to 0. Then we have to find, otherwise we have to use synthetic division method. This one, see here a b c d, it is divisible by x plus 2. X plus 2 means here x is equal to minus 2. Then 0, this is a into 2 minus 2a. Then b minus 2a. Then 2 into b minus 2b plus 4a. Then 4a minus 2b plus c. The right here. Now 2 into 4 minus 8a and 2 into 2 plus 4b and 2 into c minus 2c. Now this is right as minus 8a plus 4b minus 2c plus d. This is a remainder. This is a equal to 0. Then this is the constant. Constant is 6 and x term is 5 and this is a is equal to 4. See here already quotients are given 4, 5, 6. Then a is equal to right here 4 and b minus 2a is equal to 5. Then already we know that here a is equal to 4. Then b is equal to 2 into 4, 8. 8, so that side means 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now 4a minus 2b plus 6, c is equal to 6. Here we know that a and b means here 4 into 4, 2 into b is equal to 13 plus c is equal to 6. Then 4 4 are 16 minus this is 26 plus c is equal to 6. Here this is minus 10 and that side means c is equal to plus 16. Now here this is minus a, 8 into a is equal to 4 plus 4 into b is equal to 13 minus 2 into c is equal to 16 plus d is equal to 0. Now 8 4s are minus 32, 13 into 4 52, 13 is 16 into 2 32 plus d is equal to 0. Okay, 32 minus 32 is equal to 64 minus 64 plus 52 plus d is equal to 0. Then this is 12 minus 12 d is equal to plus 12. This a b c d you have to substitute here in this polynomial. Then a means here 4, this is right as 4 and b is equal to 13, here 13 and c is equal to c 16 and d is equal to 12. Now you can check here in this one, first option, note down. Okay, this is the last problem. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is divided by x minus 2 and the coefficient of quotient is 2 minus 1, 3 and the remainder is 4. Then the polynomial. This problem you have to try at home. This is homework problem. Already I explained before problem same as it is. You can try at home. Okay, thank you children watching my videos. Next class we have to discuss LCM and SCF of the polynomials. Thank you.